Next question. Did you pack your lunch?
My lunch is packed.
Very well. Are you excited for today?
Yes, I'm excited for today.
Can you find your shoes?
Yes, I can find my shoes now.
Do you need your school cap?
Yes, I need my school cap.
Will you eat your breakfast now?
Yes, I will eat my breakfast now.
Very good. Next question. Did you say your prayer?
Yes, I said my prayer.
Are you uni-
Can you go to the washroom, please?
Yes, you can. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, welcome back.
Hello.
Yes, Taha,
Yes.
welcome back. Okay. Now we can
Okay.
continue. Can we continue?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So you can say, yes, ma'am. Yes, we can. Yes, we can continue. Are your uniform and shoes ready?
Yes, my uniform and shoes are ready.
Do you want me to check your notebook?
Please check my notebook.
Is everything ready for school?
Yes, everything is ready for school.
Is ready as everything is ready for school.
Yes,
Okay.
everything is ready for school.